Shalom. May the mighty Lord be with you. Let us begin our day with a short prayer. Mighty Lord, we thank you for all the graces that you have given us. We thank you for preserving us and protecting us. Lord, I thank you right now for all the showers of blessings that you are pouring in my life and the lives of people who are watching this today. Lord, we surrender their lives unto you. Bless today. Harabashala galagala bashiri kalagala rama shala galagara. Ariya galagala guru shabala galagala 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 bashiri galagala galagala bashala galagala. Harabashiri hala 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 balagala galagala bashi galagala malgalagara. Harabashiri hala hala ha baba baba shikara gadagara. Today we are going to meditate on a very special gift that the Lord has given each one of us. That is the gift of mercy. Many times in our lives we see and desire for different gifts, but we do not know the importance of the gift of mercy. Mercy is the foundational gift to experience God's power. Everywhere we see, before favor, before getting grace, before having anything, the Lord uses the word mercy in the Bible. We also pray, be merciful to me, unto me, O Lord. Also, we see there are references, the seat of mercy, the divine mercy chaplet. Today, let us sit and analyze what is the importance of mercy in our life. Let us also understand God's powerful word, mercy, is in us, and the gift of mercy that is in you is the reason that you are able to sin and overcome sin. And also, the Lord is granting mercy to all the individuals who are watching this today. The Lord is showing right now, He is blessing you with divine mercy. Let us make a short prayer. Mighty Lord, we thank you for all the gifts and fruits that you have given us. We especially pray for the state of Manipur and all the people who are suffering. May your mighty grace come upon all the individuals. Especially, I pray right now, may your spirit come upon all the individuals who are watching this. May they be able to experience and know your mercy. May they understand your mercy. Harabashala galagala shire hala hala harabashala galagala harabashire hala hala harabashire hala galagala bashire hala galagala bashala galagala harabashire galagala bashala galagala harabashala galagala bashala galagala. The Lord is showing a vision of lost keys being found. If anybody is feeling led to claim this message, you may claim this message. Harabashala galagala bashala galagala harabashire hala galagala bashire ha baba bashala galagala. Shalom.